I want to study audit subject in English. Is there anyone over here who is going to teach me in 100% English without using any single word of Hindi? The answer is yes. Hi students, this is CA Pragnesh Kanabar with around a decade of experience and teaching lots and lots of students, creating toppers in audit subject, also helping students who did not clear it in the first stroke and helping them to clear it later on. I am launching batch 20, that is CA Inter Audit Regular Course, 100% English delivery for May and November 23 attempt. Yes, this batch is going to be live on Zoom application, but do not worry, for every single lecture you are going to get the recorded backup. Test series is also included, and the recorded backup stays with you till November 23 attempt. This batch starts on 3rd January 2023. If you want to know who am I, the description is over here, but you can also see the description from my website. You can check out my YouTube channel, you can check out the comments of the students, you can see the feedback, and you will automatically understand whether you should enroll with me or not. And the answer is always going to be yes, you should enroll with me. So coming to the main topic. Alright, so what is this course and how it is going to help you? So this is a regular course where in-depth discussion is done of every single content of the ICAI module. I will give my books to you, which will be, there will be separate book for content and question bank. The duration is going to be 80 hours. Recorded video for every single live lecture that is done on Zoom application. Recorded video for that. Backup stays with you till November 23. 2 views per video. Test series, unit test, prelims, mentoring support, WhatsApp doubt solving dedicated, where I will solve the doubts of your subject on WhatsApp, and you can also come to live Zoom sessions and have a two-way interaction. Sir, what is the schedule? What is the schedule? Wait, I'll come to the schedule, but first look at this. For first 25 students, the course fees remains at rupees 4,000, but it's only for first 25. And going by the experience, this is booked within 2 or 3 days for the first 25 students. So please enroll fast. Use this particular coupon code. From 26th student onwards, you have studied economics, demand supply concept. The fees goes to 5750 all inclusive. All right. And in order to enroll, you have to call 9313119022. The number is flashing over here. The number is on the PDF. All right. You can call from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can WhatsApp at any point of time, or you can just download our app from www.theauditacademy.com. Link is in the description. Link is also over here. You can go to the app, go to the courses section of the app, and then enroll for batch 20. Okay, by applying this particular coupon code, which is reflecting over here. That is about course fees. Coming to the schedule. The live lectures, what is the schedule? 3rd January 2023 is the start date. End date is 31st January 2023. Monday to Saturday, we have 2.5 hours lecture from 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And on Sundays, we'll be having 5 hours lectures from 4 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Sometimes because of some technical issues or so, 1 or 2 days get cancelled. That is our normal experience in around 30-40 lectures. That is what normally happens. Then in that case, the completion date may go to 2nd or 3rd Feb maximum. This is just, I am telling you honestly that there can be an overshooting of 2 or 3 days if there are some technical issues. If there are no lecture cancellations, then it stays in the as given in the schedule over here. So come on. Enough of recorded videos. You need someone to push you, and I am here to push you. And you can really take the feedback from my students to understand that I'm not just going to be your teacher. I'm going to ensure, I'm going to handhold you. I'm going to see to it that when you go to that exam till the last moment, I'm there with you. All right. Do not worry about it. And that is the reason that we take limited enrollments. Around after 80-100 enrollments or so, we will close the admissions in this particular batch. All right. So I will be waiting for you in the live sessions. But if you cannot enroll for live sessions, do not worry. Just take admission in this batch and watch the recorded lectures. Yes. So I will be waiting on the other side, and let us clear this audit subject. Let us be done with that.